In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the web history in Gmail. Start by opening a web browser and signing in to your Gmail account. It's best to use the account where you want to review your history, so everything you see is accurate. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens the panel for your Google account, which is where privacy and activity controls live. If you're using multiple accounts in the same browser, double-check that you're on the right one so you don't end up viewing another account's history. If you don't immediately see the full Google account page, choose the option to manage your account from that panel. On the Google account page, use the left-hand navigation and select Data and Privacy. This area centralizes everything related to how your information is collected and used across Google services. It's the quickest path to the activity records tied to your signed-in browsing and searches. Scroll down until you find the section called History Settings, then click My Activity. My Activity is the dashboard that brings together your web and app activity across Google services, including searches you've made and sites you visited in Chrome while signed in and syncing. Keep in mind, you'll only see items here if activity tracking is turned on for the account. Sessions in private browsing or activity while signed out typically won't appear. On the My Activity page, you can browse chronologically, organized by day and time, or you can quickly zero in on something specific using the search and filter tools. Use the search bar if you remember a keyword, a site name, or part of a query. For more precision, open the filters to narrow by date range and by product, such as Search, Chrome, or YouTube. This is especially helpful if you're looking for something from a particular week or tied to just one Google service. Click any item to see more detail, like the time it was recorded and the product it came from, which can help you retrace steps or confirm when you visited a page. A few quick tips as you explore. If you don't see what you expect, make sure you were signed in at the time and that activity tracking wasn't paused. Also, when using a shared computer, consider signing out after you're done to keep your history private. That's it. You've accessed and browsed your web history starting from Gmail by navigating to your Google account's My Activity page. If the video has been helpful and you want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.